Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to uninstall app or programs not listed in control panel. Right-click shortcut icon. Click Open File Location. Find uninstall.exe. Click to open uninstall.exe. Click Yes to continue. Click Yes to continue. Program uninstallation completed. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.